Hey everybody, it's Richard the Beekeeper. I'm down in the dungeon again. Yep, down in the basement. And I was just going to show you a few things. If you go in here, this is where my junk room is. I got lots of junk, little photography stuff and beekeeping stuff. And look at there. Hey, what's there? That's like the 8 gallons. No, 8 pails of honey. Stuck back in there, yeah, 8 pails. They've got about 4 gallons each in them, yeah. So, yeah, this year wasn't a bust completely. We have honey, probably 400 pounds or so. And look at here, yeah, got some 4 gallons book right there. That's 4 gallons of honey. Yeah, it's probably worth anywhere from $70 to $100 each. That's a pretty good amount of honey there. And I've got lots more to do. Yep, this is our art room for me. I've got my art here stacked up where I've been doing stuff. The guest room, yeah, here in the dungeon, yeah. And out here, my wife keeps her plants and all that stuff. And so, yeah, it's quite a dungeon down here. There's a washing machine. Got more plants over here. And dryer. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And out here, yeah, little bit of cold. Probably about, what do you say, 23 degrees out there. I think it was down to 21 last night. Yeah, so I'm in a dungeon. I just wanted you to know that we do have honey. And, yeah, 400 gallons. No, not that much. I wish. Let's see. 8 times 4, 32 gallons honey. Yeah, about that. So, hey, I might have lost some bees this year, but it wasn't a bust. I still have 6 hives going good. So yeah, I thought I'd come out and put this on here and just show you. Let's see how our fire's doing now. I love my wood stove. Yeah, it's time to put some good stuff on it. Get her going really good because it'll heat up the basement floor and the upper floor, the upper level. And we really enjoy this. We've had a wood stove for most of our life. Well, except when we lived in Florida, but we didn't need one. But down there, we sold firewood. Yeah, I had a sawmill. And I sold a lot of firewood. Can you believe it? I sold $4,000 worth of firewood in January of 2000. I had a sawmill, too. Used to have a bandsaw. That's why we got the woodworking stuff here. Yeah, we got the stuff here that there's a shaper. Down here in the dungeon, I got a table saw outside, and yeah. Oh, there's my extractor over there. Yeah, I thought I'd just come down here and make this little video because I want to make a better video. I keep wanting to make better videos, but this cold weather keeps me from going outside and making better videos probably. I don't know what it is. But anyway, hey, if you liked it, please subscribe. I appreciate the interest here. And sometimes I think, well, are they interested in my dungeon? Well, I like my dungeon, actually. It's nice to come down here when that fire's going good and nice and warm. And I know that I can work down here if I want to and maybe do some art, maybe do some honeybee stuff. I have a few jugs there I cleaned up. Those are for feeding bees in the spring, which we'll be doing. Yep. And yeah, I have these bins here I bring firewood in, and looks like it's time to bring some more in. That chair's one my brother-in-law fixed up. It had been one in the family for years and years and kind of got broken down, so he fixed it up. And so I come down here and sit in that once in a while, and sometimes I sit in this one. But yeah, Here's my planer. Yep, use that once in a while. I've got lots of lumber. The only thing I don't have in my old age is time. Yep, time runs by really fast. So I got to get all this honey bottled up, and I need to do a few things outside. And so, yeah, I'm going to be busy this winter, actually. I'm going to have to do some painting some old hives, put some frames together. I think I'm going to make a self-service bee honey box to put down by the driveway so people driving by can get honey. And I gotta run down to see Bob Benny, ask him some questions about winterizing these bees a little more. Now Bob's got a pretty good business going down there in Lakemont, and he's a mentor to me, and I've also spent a lot of money there at his place. But it's starting to pay off. Been 6 years now. So I think of him as a mentor. I just go ask him questions now and then. I watch his videos. But I'm not paid by Bob. Just make sure that I'm not sponsored by anybody. I make these videos myself. And it's a kind of a fun thing to do. Watch all my folks like Bruce Bees and Cayman Reynolds. Yeah, I like to watch him. Watch one of his videos that's 2 years old. It's pretty good. Did that this morning. So I watch YouTube so I can see what's going on, see what I need to do. And, well, I just thought I'd come down here and make this little video and say hello to you. And it's not edited, but my fire's going. Look at that. Yeah, it's warming up in here. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. Gonna enjoy this today. And I think I'm gonna run down and buy some jars from Bob Benny at Lakemont and his Blue Ridge Honey Company a little later today. And who knows, I may take Charlie for a walk once it warms up to about 40 degrees. And this is the way my day's going. Hey, that fire goes right along with the season, doesn't it? Happy holidays to everybody. Merry Christmas. Only 2 days away. Yep. It's a happy season. So we'll see y'all. Now, go ahead and hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button. Love to see you coming back. And let me know. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'd certainly like to hear from y'all. And, hey, do you like my dungeon? They call it a man cave some places. I guess this is a dungeon, man cave, and the wife has a bit to do with it too, with her washing machine, her plants, and yeah, did I show you them ones in there? Yeah, there's more in here. Yeah. She got more in here. Jean does gardening around here, and I do the beekeeping. And sometimes it's the bee having, which is not a good thing, but we're working on that. I just watched Cayman Reynolds a minute ago, and he said that you need to have about 5 hives to be a sustainable hobbyist. That way, if something goes wrong, you've got a little more resources to work with. But right now, I've got 6, so I'm doing pretty good with that, I guess. Yeah, it's down a bit from what it was, but by golly, we're going to make it work. And like I said, we got lots of honey here that we have to sell. So it's not a loss in that sense, because we did make a lot of honey. And hopefully, it'll turn into a lot of money. This year, we should do better, though. Yeah, this January, in just about a week from now, it all begins for next year, 2025. And in 2025, we hope to really have some good beekeeping and some good gardening and good homesteading. And right now we're having some nice warm firing. So y'all have a good day. Merry Christmas again. Happy Hanukkah. Happy holidays. Whatever you celebrate. Be happy. We love you. Coming back to see us. Coming back to watch our videos. Thank you.